both made y equal to 0, so I know they really are the x-intercepts, or the solutions. It's number 2. Let's look at number 3. What are the solutions for the quadratic equation x squared plus 11x equals negative 18? Well, got to put it in standard form. So I'm going to add 18 to both sides. X squared plus 11x plus 18 equals 0. Oh, look, it's in standard form and y is equal to 0. Awesome. Now I'm going to factor it. No GCF, it's not a special case. Leading coefficient's 1. I'm going to use regular X-man, and when I do that, let's see, 18 is 9 and 2. So x plus 9, x plus 2 still equals 0. I didn't use X-man, I did it in my head, but I would expect you to come over here and do your a times c is 18 and b is 11 and figure out 9 and 2. I'm not going to do it every time, but you should know how to do that. Set each factor containing a variable equal to 0. X plus 9 is 0. X plus 2 is 0. Subtract 9. X is negative 9. Subtract 2. X is negative 2. So if you plug those back into the equation, it should show you that when x is negative 9, y is 0, and when x is negative 2, y is also 0. Okay? Now, here's something that might have hung some of you up. I forgot to mention this. Look at number 2 again. It says, which of the following could be the value of x? Well, when we did number 2, x had two values. Their values were positive 7 and negative 8. Well, the only value that I see there is negative 8. So x could be negative 8, could also be positive 7. That answer doesn't happen to be there. But it just says could be one of the values. Well, that is one of the values. Number 3, if x is negative 9 and x is negative 2, I see that answer right there. This is not an ordered pair. This is not in parentheses. These are the two different solutions, the two values of x that would be your roots, your x-intercepts. Number 4, what are the solutions for the quadratic equation 2x squared plus 7x equals negative 3? 2x squared plus 7x equals negative 3. Okay, it's not in standard form. I'm going to add 3 to both sides. 2x squared plus 7x plus 3 equals 0. It's in standard form, y 0. I'm going to factor it. There's no GCF. It's not a PST. It's not dots. The leading coefficient is 2. I'm going to use extra X-man. A times C is 6. B is 7. 6 times 1 equals 6, and 6 plus 1 equals 7. Since it's extra X-man, I have to do the extra step, which is the Punnett square. My first term goes here. My third term goes here. I'm going to add my variable and put these two terms here and here. And then I'm going to look for my GCFs. Greatest common factor this way is x. This way is 3. This way is 1. And this way is 2x. Double check. This is 2x squared, this is 6x, this is 1x, and this is 3. So my two factors are 2x plus 1 times x plus 3, and that equals 0. Because this equals this. All I did was break it apart into two factors. If I multiply these back together using a Punnett square, I'll get this again. Now, I'm going to set each factor containing a variable equal to 0. So 2x plus 1 equals 0. X plus 3 equals 0. Solve for x. Subtract 1. 2x equals negative 1. Divide by 2. X equals negative 1/2. Subtract 3. Subtract 3. X equals negative 3. There's your two solutions. Number 4, Do I see negative 1/2 and negative 3? I do. That answer is A. Number 5. X squared minus 4x minus 5, and it's asking for one of the solutions. Probably has two solutions. Most of them do, but they're only asking for one of them. Oh, that's easy. It's in standard form. Y is 0. Going to factor it. No GCF. No special cases. Leading coefficient is 1. If I do X-man, I get, let's see, I need a negative 5 and a negative 4. So it's negative 5 times 1 is negative 5, and negative 5 plus 1 is negative 4. That still equals 0. Set each factor containing a variable equal to 0. Solve. Isolate your variable. Now, those are your two solutions. It's only asking for one. So, do you see one of those there? I see negative 1. Believe that's correct. I also see negative 5, but after you do all this, this is a positive 5, isn't it? All right, number 6. Oh, let's stop right there. I'll do the rest on another tape.